Welcome back, everyone. Making your website look incredible on a phone is an absolute must, but sometimes you run into a situation where you want an element, like a specific download button or a phone icon, to only show up for your mobile visitors. Creating mobile-only elements is totally doable in Webflow, but there's a specific trick to it. Let's jump into the designer and I'll show you exactly how it works. Before we click anything, you need to understand how Webflow thinks. Webflow uses a cascading system, meaning any style choice you make on the large desktop view automatically trickles down to tablets and mobile phones. Because of this, you can't just delete an element on mobile, or it'll disappear everywhere. Instead, we have to hide it on desktop first, and then bring it back to life on the smaller screens. First, make sure you're working in your standard desktop view by checking the monitor icon at the top center of your screen. Click on the elements you want to make mobile exclusive right there on your canvas. Head over to the Style panel on the right side of your screen, scroll down to the Layout section, and look for the Display settings. You want to change that setting from Block or Flex to None. The moment you click None, your element will vanish from the desktop preview. Now, let's bring it back for your mobile users. Switch your view to either Mobile Portrait or Mobile Landscape using the device icons at the top of your screen. Since your element is now invisible on the main canvas, you can't just click it. You have to open up your Navigator panel on the left side and select the element from your structural list. With it highlighted in the Navigator, go right back to the Style panel and change the display setting from None back to Block or Flex. And that's the secret. You now have a fully functional, hidden from desktop users, but working perfectly on mobile devices element. I always recommend publishing your site to a staging link and checking it on your actual physical smartphone just to make sure the layout looks exactly how you want it. If this trick helped you clean up your mobile design today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point web design tutorials. Let me know down in the comments what kind of responsive design issues are giving you a headache, and I'll see you in the next video.